If you want to learn programming, don't make this mistake I made. I wanted to learn programming. Then I started with Python. I knew I wanted to learn programming, but I didn't have a specific goal. I didn't have a why. Why am I learning this language? Why am I learning Python? Yeah, people were telling me, yeah, Python is easy. It is very useful. You can use it for various things. It's the most versatile language out there. But I didn't have a why. So I got stuck in what we call tutorial hell, where you just keep learning stuff and not applying the things you are learning. So my advice to you people, if you want to learn programming, is to have a why. Why are you learning programming? Why do you want to learn programming? Is it because you want to make an app? Is it because you want to create a website? Is it because you want to build a game? Then if you find your why, you find a reason for learning programming, and then go and learn what you want to learn. For example, if you want to learn to make games, there are languages for that. You don't just learn any language. If you want to learn to make games, yeah, learn C++. If you want to have the full power of creating games, yeah, C++ or Java. If you want to build games for Java, yeah. If you want to build games for Android, learn Java. If you want to build games for iOS, learn something like Swift or Objective-C. Yeah, have a why. While learning programming, don't just learn it. If you want to build websites, don't go and learn Python, because it won't be very useful to you unless you know the fundamentals of web development like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you want to build websites, yeah, start with HTML and build projects on the way. Start with HTML, CSS, and then JavaScript. Master those things. After you master those things, you have made several projects maybe, then you can move on to some other things like Python in the back end. You want now to become the master of everything. Yeah, learn Python, C#, whatever feels comfortable. My main point is that don't just learn programming for the sake of learning it. Like, oh, I know some Python, I know some C#, I know some C++. Yeah, all right, you know programming, but what have you built? What have you created? When you want to learn a language, have something in mind. Oh, I want to build this. So for example, me, the way I got out of tutorial hell is I had a reason to create an app. At first I was just learning, then I realized that this is not the way. I'm not supposed to be learning like this, learning Python, C#, moving from one programming language to another without actually building anything. Then I found my why. Why am I learning this? Then I wanted to create an app for Reikom Academy. I wanted to build an app for high school students where they can access materials for learning. Then I learned Flutter. I know I'm not an expert, but I can say I can build an app from the beginning and actually make it useful for people. I'm still learning, but the reason I was able to do that is because I had a reason for learning programming. I was putting in the effort, I had the motivation for learning, and I was able to finish the project. I was really proud. It's now I've even published it to the Play Store, which is something nice. You just feel good. Oh, I have an app on Play Store. Even you do the same. Have a reason for learning what you want to learn. Don't just learn programming. Oh, I'm gonna learn Python. It looks nice. It's versatile. You can use it for everything. Yeah, we know Python is versatile. You can use it to build a lot of different stuff. But why are you learning? What do you want to build? If you're just doing it for the sake of doing it, you won't go far. You will get stuck in tutorial hell or tutorial purgatory, whatever you want to call it. Python is cool, but have a reason. Do you want to build websites with Python? Yeah, if you have a reason, a cool reason, yeah, learn it. You want to build a certain thing, learn the thing, the best tool. Don't just learn anything. Find the best tool. Games, we have C++. If you want to have power or the power to build games, C++ is the best. Apps for Android, Java, iOS, we have Swift and Objective-C. If you want one language, I would recommend learning Flutter, because Flutter you can build apps for iOS and Android, even websites. Although it's not known for websites, but I think it's good if your app is an interactive app where it requires interactivity. Yeah, that's right. That's how you say it. Yeah, if it requires a lot of interactions, maybe fancy animations, something like Duolingo. If you want to build something like Duolingo, I think Flutter is perfect for that. So where someone need to be interacting with the interface, doing some cool stuff. Flutter is good. Learn Flutter if you want to build apps. That's what I learned personally, and I would recommend it. It's new, fresh, and you don't need to learn a lot of things with Flutter. Yeah, have a reason. Why are you learning? Why do you want to learn programming? What do you want to build? If you don't have a reason, I wouldn't even recommend learning programming, because you don't have a reason. If you don't have a reason, you will just get stuck learning useless things and never apply. In fact, that's what I find annoying. No, that's what do I want to say? That's the thing I find annoying about school. Like, they just teach you stuff without a reason. Why are you going to use the things you're learning? You're answering a bunch of questions for years. You don't even know where you're gonna be using them. I was seeing the math questions. I was like, I don't see myself doing this at my job, which is crazy. Yeah, I didn't see myself solving those questions in my job. Yeah, it can help you with your thinking, but it's basically useless. Knowledge without application is basically useless. You need to be applying the things you are learning. Don't just learn stuff. Where are you going to be using that stuff? Yeah, that's my advice to you if you want to learn programming. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, yeah, give it a like and subscribe, or like the video, give it a thumbs up as they call it, or watch this other video. Is it here? It's here, I think. Yeah, watch this other video, and I will see your beautiful face again in the next video. Thank you. That's crazy. How do I end the video? Here.